How does habeas corpus protect the rights of the accused? Imagine being detained and not knowing why or for how long. It's a frightening thought, but habeas corpus is there to stop that from happening. It is a legal process that makes sure no one is held without a good reason. When someone is detained, the government must bring them before a court and prove that their detention is lawful. If they cannot, the court must order the person's releases. This process keeps authorities from imprisoning people unfairly or secretly. It is a way to check that detention is based on real legal grounds, not just power or fear. Habeas corpus is called the Great Writ because it protects personal freedom and limits government overreach. It started in English law and is now part of the United States Constitution. The Constitution says that the writ cannot be suspended except in extreme cases like rebellion or invasion. This shows how important it is to keep personal liberty safe from abuse. Knowing your rights means that if you are accused or detained, you can ask for a court review. You have the right to know why you are being held and to challenge that reason in court. This legal tool helps ensure a fair trial because it separates the question of whether someone should be detained from whether they are guilty or innocent. It makes sure that detention is only used when legally justified, not as punishment before guilt is proven. It applies to everyone, whether they are citizens or non-citizens, and covers different situations like criminal cases or immigration detention. It also prevents indefinite detention, meaning you cannot be held forever without trial or proper legal process. When someone files a habeas corpus petition, the government has to show a valid legal reason for keeping the person detained. If they cannot, the court orders the person to be released. This process helps prevent unlawful arrests and keeps detention fair. It is a safeguard that makes sure authorities follow the law and respect individual rights. It also gives people the power to challenge their detention and seek justice if their rights are being violated. In short, habeas corpus protects the rights of the accused by forcing the government to justify detention before a court. It allows individuals to challenge unlawful imprisonment and prevents indefinite detention without a fair process. It is a key part of the legal system that helps keep personal freedom safe and ensures that everyone is treated fairly under the law. Knowing about this right means you understand how the law works to protect you from wrongful detention and uphold justice.